Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Fitment channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about it is safe to use wheel spacers on your Honda Accord. Let's go. Wheel spacers are a kind of safe and reliable wheel accessory. As long as you install them correctly, they will not cause any problems. They are effective when your wheel offset is not ideal for the final effect that you want. The special design of this BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back. Because the rotation of the spacer makes the external cold airflow efficiency continuously inside the spacer. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of FT cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers' safety and driving security. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, BONOSS relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first FT cooling technique. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.